I'm going to show you how to find new amp profiles, audition them, edit them, and then load them onto your pedal the easy way. Okay, the first thing you need to do is sign into IK Multimedia. Looks like I'm already signed in. Let's see. Yep. Welcome, Mark. See that? Signed in. Okay. Go to your community. Go to here. And go here and select Tonex. And now all your amp models and pedals will appear here. I would suggest hitting top 10. Okay, let's leave that there. And let's open up the Tonex app. Give it a minute because it takes a minute to open up. All right, now that we got that, you're going to need to connect your pedal. Okay, so Alt and foot switch together. And we want to select C, which is stomp box mode. Hit Alt. Now you're in stomp box mode, so it'll go on and off. So it's bypassed now. Now we're going to hook it up. USB. We need to go up here, right here, and connect the pedal. Select Tonex here, let that populate. Output device. Tonex One. Close it. Now, none of this stuff will change anything. We can audition all these amps here. So, for instance, we're got the Black Angus on. Okay, now we're going to go over here. Dang it, this keeps falling down. There we go. I'm going to go over to Home. And you can audition all these amps. Now to look for some amp models, we can select any of these, but let's go to Tone.net. Go back to your browser here, and here we are in Tone.net. Now, you can go here and audition these by clicking the play arrow. This is somebody else's little track here, but you can get an idea. Okay, I like that. Hit the like button right here. And now go back to your Tonex software. And right here, click on Light. And there it is, the 57 clean. See? Where was it? Right there. Back to the Tonex app. And there it is. Now, I can play through it. I should have showed you what I did, but I downloaded it right here. And now I have it. Now you're going to get a bit of a delay, latency they call it. So when you play, it feels a little funny because it comes in a little later, but you can audition it. You can edit it, but to do that, you're going to have to click on Home. All right, there it is. Here you can adjust the parameters, reverb, add reverb, whatever you want to do. Then you're going to need to go here and save it as a preset. You're going to name it Ender 57, edit, that's what we'll call it. Hit save. Now it'll be in your presets. Go over to Librarian, and there it is, right there. Take that, drag and drop it, and override it, and there it is. Disconnect your pedal from USB and you're done. You might need to adjust the gain and master volume on the pedal itself. So we're going to crank the master volume, put it in alt mode, and crank the gain. I hope that helps somebody out. Please like and subscribe and put any questions in the comments. See you soon.